Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you here about to tell you how you can start to use e-tickets on Trainline. That's about be something that you should be really basic, so helping you today. So we are going right now to help you in this situation to understand how this about be really available for you to understand how this can be really the section that I am going to use and how we can start to see the things that should be really served through that. So about the digital tickets that you are going to have is really so important and you should be really ordered where you can use it. You can use it the majority of the UK trains, journeys. Some station doesn't have ticket just to scan it in your phone. You can also use it across Europe. So I am going to tell you here exactly here on another situation. Open your train app, line app, and go to my tickets. Tap on your ticket mobile ticket to activate it before you travel. Once you activate it, you cannot request a refund. Get code from your phone ticket jet at the station or show it to the staff. You can get your ticket to the device on the barcodes that getting scanned in the station and then about to activate ticket and you are good to go. And that is all about to help you.